This is Austin Rock with AAA Drain Cleaning performing a sewer inspection on a 4-inch ABS cleanout outside at 4107 Southeast Knapp Street, Portland, Oregon. Recently replaced line, and here I go. Just zeroed. Here we are at the transition from 3034 to terracotta, and I will proceed. Here we are at the city lateral tie-in at 29.5 feet, and I'll wait till water turns off and I will pull back. Here we are back at the transition from 3034 from clay. Here we are at the transition black ABS to 3034. Looks like right here where my camera kind of has to wedge by, there's a little bit of a lip at the transition between the ABS and the 3034. Whether or not, I think this might not be an issue. And that concludes our Rescope video. Line appears to be in serviceable condition. Thank you.